Today, we are diving into a fascinating aspect of tort law which is called battery. Now, when you hear the word battery, what comes to mind? Most of you probably think of hitting someone, right? That's partly correct, but in the world of tort law, battery is so much more than that. It's about unauthorized and intentional contact with someone's body. And yes, this can range from physical harm to even the lightest touch, if done without consent. Let's unpack this further with some case laws to make it real. Case 1, R vs. Court, 1977. This case is a classic example. Imagine someone lightly tapping you, no harm, no bruise, just a tap. Seems harmless, right? The court here said that even minimal touching could count as battery if it's unauthorized. Why? Because consent is key. Without it, even a gentle act becomes unlawful. Case 2, Wilson vs. Pringle, 1986. Now, let's spice things up. Imagine someone spits at you or throws something at you. You're thinking, they didn't touch me, so it's fine. But hold on. This case tells us that battery includes such non-physical contact. It's the intention and the lack of consent that matter. Case 3, R vs. Ireland, 1998. Here's an interesting twist. Did you know that even silent phone calls can be battery? Yes, you heard me right. If those calls are made with the intent to distress someone, it qualifies as battery. This case broadened our understanding of what contact can mean in today's world. Case 4, Collins vs. Wilcock, 1984. Now, imagine a police officer gently grabbing someone's arm to stop them from leaving. Harmless. Not so fast. In this case, the court ruled it is battery. Why? Because the touch, though minor, was unauthorized. Case 5, F vs. West Berkshire Health Authority, 1989. Finally, let's talk about consent in healthcare. If a doctor treats you without your consent, even with good intentions, it can still be battery. This case emphasizes the importance of respecting personal boundaries, especially in medical settings. So, what do these cases teach us? Battery in tort law is about more than just harm, it's about intent, consent, and boundaries. The three key elements of battery are: 1. Unauthorized touching or contact. 2. An intentional act. 3. Contact with another's body. Remember, it's not the force of the contact that matters but the lack of consent and the deliberate nature of the act. So, next time you hear the word battery, think beyond punches and slaps. Think about respect for personal space and consent. The law takes these matters very seriously, and so should we.